Alright, so my name is Dr. Patrick. I'm one of the dentists here at Dentists of Ivanhoe. Common question I get asked is about worn teeth and whether or not there is more than one solution to it. The short answer is yes. The long answer is it kind of depends. So it depends on why the teeth are worn in the first place. Our four sort of main culprits for worn teeth are going to be clenching and grinders. All right, so if you're a heavy clencher or grinder, if the teeth are worn by, for example, excessive toothbrushing, erosion, which is caused by acid wear usually, and attrition, which is going to be teeth on teeth wear. So depending on why the teeth are worn will really kind of dictate what we do. So it can range from anywhere between restoring the defects just to how they used to look, all the way up to a full mouth rehabilitation where we have to redesign the bite to get them into a more ideal position. So there's no one cookie cutter approach. So here at Dentists of Ivanhoe, we will really try to look for the cause or the causes of your worn teeth and then tailor a treatment plan towards, getting you in a position where you can smile better and function better and eat better.